When looking for the perfect forklift training course, there are 3 areas you must consider. 1. Accreditation. To ensure your training provider is fully certified to complete your training courses. 2. Safety. Your training provider should be up to date on all the latest health and safety legislations. 3. Professionalism. High levels of customer service and customer satisfaction are very crucial. Here at 4KS Forklift Training, we pride ourselves on our ability to meet all these 3 criteria at the highest level. 4KS Forklift Training has successfully trained candidates across the UK. We offer a wide variety of courses such as counterbalance, reach truck, PPT, bendy, VNA, and scissor lift training, fully accredited by RTITB and AITT.